Hello, welcome back to all my returning subscriber, and if you are seeing this channel for the first time, my name is Jua, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily cut and sew a detachable cape. They come in slightly different design, but we'll be making the most trending capelets. If you like sewing tutorials like this, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up and leave nice comments and subscribe. Start by taking your measurement from your shoulder to your bust point. This will serve as the full length of the cape. Next, take 2 inch upwards from your shoulder to mark your chest line. Then I'm just going to roll them like this for my vertical measurements. And measure 3 inch for your neck width, then come down by 1 for your back neckline. For my front neckline, I'll maintain the same 3 width for my neck width, then I'll come down by 3 inch to make a curve like you see me doing. Next, take your shoulder measurement, divide it by 2 and mark it. Then come down by 1 inch to create your shoulder slope and connect it to meet the neckline like this. Next, connect the shoulder point to meet your chest line. Locate the midpoint of that line like this. Then go inward by half an inch to create your armhole curve. Now take your bust measurement divided by 4 and mark that measurement on your chest line. Then finally connect it smoothly to get your armhole curve like this. Now to get the extension for the cape, you can either just come outside like this by 4 inch to get your cape extension, or you use this method, take a round body measurement like this, divide what you have by 4 and just place it on your body's pattern. So when I did that, I got 11. So at the end of the day, I still have exactly 4 inches that I came down by. So you are going to take the full measurement like this. I have 11 inch, then I'll place it here, but I'm going to be adding additional 1 inch to that 11 inch on my chest line. Then I'm going to use the curvy part of my ruler to connect it like this. We are still going to just slant it out like this to meet the full length of our cape. Now for this part, you can decide to leave yours like that, or you just blend it in to erase that sharp edge, but this is optional. You can choose to leave yours like that or even make it sharper. Now for the back length of our cape, we want the back to be a bit longer than the front of our cape. We want the back to be relaxed and longer, so you are going to go downwards by 1 inch like you see me doing. So this extension that I'm doing is going to be for the back. So since I'm cutting both the front and the back pattern together, when I'm done, you'll see how I'm going to cut it out on my fabric. So this extension of 1 inch that I did is going to be for the back, while this one that I stop at the bust point is going to be for my front. For the front opening, we are going to come inwards like this by 1.5 inch and just use the curvy part of our ruler to stylishly blend it to meet the neckline like this. Next, stylishly curve the front bodies to match the back bodies as you see me doing. This will ensure that both pieces are equal and align perfectly when you join them together. We are done with the drafting. I'm going to cut off the back bodies first like you see me doing. I'll cut the back neckline also, then I will open it up. You will see what it looks like. Then we are going to close it up like this and use it to cut on our fabric like this. Make sure your fabric is folded into to pin it together if you have to, and you add half an inch on all sides except the neckline. Next, trim out the back pattern as shown. You'll be left with the front bodies, and when I open it up, this is what it looks like. Now use the pattern to cut on your fabric, leaving half an inch seam allowance on all sides except the neckline. Repeat the same process for your lining. Next, iron paper stay on both the lining and the main fabric. I didn't have enough paper stay, so I only applied it on the main fabric. When making yours, I would recommend you apply it on both the lining and the main fabric. This will give your cape a more firmer and more structured finish. For the back cape, we need to add a dart. Fold the back piece in half like this. Next, measure inward using your nipple to nipple measurement divided by 2. Mine is 4 inches. Mark that point, then measure half inch on both sides like this. Make a small notch at the midpoint of the dart so that the marking transfer evenly to the other side when you unfold the fabric. From the dart point, measure 5 inch upward to create the dart leg, then connect the line to form the dart like this. Adding a dart is very important because it will help the cape sit smoothly and comfortably on the body, giving it a better fit. So I'm going to get my dart on both sides of my cape like this. So we are going to go inwards by 5. So you also do the same on the lining. Whatever you are doing on your fabric, you do the same on your lining too. So when I'm done, this is what it's going to give us. So we will have to iron it out. That means we'll be having 2 darts on the fabric and 2 darts on our lining like this. When we are done, the next thing is to now join the bodies together, shoulder to shoulder, right side facing each other. Make sure it is properly aligned. You place it like this, then we'll stitch it around like this with our 1/2 inch that we left behind. We'll also do the same for the lining. We'll place it like this, place it right side facing each other, stitch it with 1/2 inch that we left behind. When we are done, iron it out, and this is what we are going to get. Remember, whatever we are doing, we are also doing it for the lining. So I'm going to show you what my lining also look like, exactly like the main fabric. Now we'll use the lining to turn the main fabric. So we'll align the neckline together, the neckline of our lining and the neckline of our main fabric all around each other, right side facing each other like this. So we are just going to attach it, the neckline to the chest line to the hem of our cape. We'll go it round. When we are done, we are going to have this. Then you leave a small opening on the down part. Me, I left it on the chest side, so I'm supposed to leave it on the down part. That is the hem of our cape. So we use that small opening to turn it to the right side like this. If you haven't liked this video, please take a moment to hit the like button, leave nice comment for me, and subscribe so you can see more of my video when next I post. So we are just going to make sure that we fully pull out all the edges of our cape like this. So we're going to pull it out and give it a nice press to have this. So now that we've done it, this is what it looks like. Give it a good press, pull out all the edges. Now for the opening that we left, that we used to turn it like this, I'm going to show you. This is what it looks like. So I'm going to just stitch on top of it. That's why I said you should make your own stitch, your own opening at the hem of your cape, so that when you stitch on it, it will not be showing on the chest line. We've come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.